As a part of introduction, so doctors and health workers are facing lots of difficulties while taking care of the affected individuals, as they have to take all necessary precaution both to protect themselves and prevent any further outbreaks. Outbreaks such as COVID-19 has shown that further precaution should be taken in the healthcare industry again, such similar. So in order to tackle that problem, so we need to a mechanism in between the doctors and patients. So it should has the features of like vital seeking medicine dispense. It should movable, interactive, and should communicate. It should establish communication between the doctors and patients. So let us introduce to our project, which is called robotic medicine dispenser. This is 3D model of our project. This has 3 sections. So on the basis, we have motors, wheels, and battery units, and under the center we have the control section, and then comes the dispensing unit on the top. So the dispensing unit, we can see the external structure which has 6 division in it, each having 3 subdivisional units in it. Under the dispensing unit there are 3 servo motors given in order to control the 3 subdivision individually. With the servo motors we can control the openings individually whenever we want to dispense the medicine that has been allotted to the patients by doctor. Then through the opening, medicines will be collected in the space of a provided below the opening. This has medicine can be equipped by patients after they being dropped to the specified area that is in the basket provided. These two are the sensors, that is pulse oximeters and temperature sensors. On the right side, we can see that sanitizer unit, and so there we can see that by camera module on the top. This is used for the video streaming and controlling the robot. The health related data of the patient can also connected using the camera module, and on the top of the tablets are being filled using the space. We can open this by rotating the top of the portions. Then we can split the tablets for morning, noon for night, placing them in the space provided for each timer. Then after closing, it's finally ready to given the specific patient. So this is working of our robot. So in our hardware unit, Raspberry Pi is our central control unit, and it has a interfacing with the pulse oximeter sensor, temperature sensor, and speaker mic for communication, and a by camera, and the motors, controllers, and the battery for the whole system. So in our software part, we are using the Python to program our web page and all the web page development, and then it has a template using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript is, and MySQL is for the database management. So here the web page looks like. First the web page has a login page, and after that the user like Lotter Nexus have the their user dashboard, and from the dashboard we can know that the patient, which are patients are available in that water hospital. So also in the web page there is a control page for accessing the video and controlling the movement of the robot. After the accessing the patient pages, we can see that the patient sensor data or pulse oximeter. And also from this page we can upload the prescription, and then only the nurses can access the prescription data and fill into the each dispensing division. So this is all done regarding our project, and thank you.